HPE2-B02 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In a virtual desktop infrastructure (VDI) environment, why is user profiling an essential component? A. To manage software licenses. B. To customize desktop experiences and settings for individual users. C. To allocate compute resources across the cluster. D. To enforce advanced security policies. The answer is B. User profiling in VDI ensures that each user's settings, preferences, and configurations follow them across sessions, providing a consistent and personalized desktop experience. It is not primarily about licensing, resource allocation, or security, but about maintaining user-specific configurations. When presenting an HPE VDI solution to a customer who is focused on cost management and budget flexibility, which aspect should you highlight? A. Product specifications. B. Payment options and financing models such as HPE GreenLake. C. Technical support availability. D. Vendor partnerships. The answer is B. HPE emphasizes financial flexibility through consumption-based models like HPE GreenLake, which allows customers to pay for IT resources based on usage rather than large upfront costs. This directly addresses budget concerns and provides scalability as needs change. When proposing an HPE VDI solution to a customer, which outcome is most critical to emphasize to ensure customer confidence? A. The total cost of the solution. B. Compatibility with existing legacy systems. C. Delivering the same or improved user experience compared to the current environment. D. The vendor's reputation in the industry. The answer is C. In VDI projects, the end-user experience is a top priority. If users perceive performance or usability to be worse than before, the solution will face adoption challenges. Demonstrating equal or improved performance ensures customer satisfaction and supports successful deployment. If a customer requires a highly available VDI environment, which additional infrastructure component is typically necessary? A. Load balancers. B. Extra storage only. C. Only network switches. D. None. The answer is A. In high-availability VDI designs, load balancers help distribute user sessions across multiple servers or connection brokers. This ensures redundancy and continuous service availability if one component fails. Extra storage or switches alone won't guarantee full high availability. In designing a VDI solution, which components should be included in the backup strategy to ensure business continuity? A. User profiles only. B. Only server configurations. C. Application data only. D. Master images and user profiles. The answer is D. Backing up master images ensures administrators can quickly redeploy desktops if needed, while user profiles preserve personalization and data critical for end-user productivity. Both are essential for a resilient and recoverable VDI environment. When preparing a master, golden, image for a VDI deployment, what is the best way to optimize it for performance? A. By adding more applications. B. By removing unnecessary services and applications. C. By increasing its size. D. By making it read-only. The answer is B. A master, golden image should be lean and efficient, containing only the applications, services, and settings required for the intended user group. Removing unnecessary components reduces resource consumption, speeds up login times, and improves overall VDI performance. In a VDI environment, how does the number of available IOPS on shared storage affect the boot performance of virtual machines? A. More IOPS leads to faster boot times. B. Boot performance is not affected by IOPS. C. Higher IOPS reduce overall storage costs. D. Lower IOPS can improve performance. The answer is A. During boot storms in VDI, multiple VMs start simultaneously, creating heavy demand on storage. Higher available IOPS ensures faster response times, which directly improves VM boot performance. Low IOPS storage can cause slow boot times and degraded user experience. In which scenario would an HPE VDI solution likely provide greater value compared to a competitor's offering? A. Lower initial costs. B. More comprehensive support and management features. C. Limited scalability. D. Fewer supported applications. The answer is B. HPE VDI solutions stand out for their integrated management tools, lifecycle support, and flexibility, including HPE GreenLake consumption models. While cost matters, customers often choose HPE because of the ability to simplify operations, scale effectively, and rely on enterprise-grade support. Which components are essential for the back-end infrastructure of an HPE VDI solution? A. CPU and GPU. B. Storage and network. C. Only storage. D. CPU only. The answer is B. The backend of a VDI solution relies on storage systems for hosting virtual desktops and on network infrastructure to deliver data to users efficiently. While CPU and GPU are important for compute resources on the host, the backend typically refers to shared infrastructure components like storage arrays and network connectivity that support multiple virtual desktops. What is a key benefit of integrating HPE InfoSight into a VDI deployment? A. Predictive analytics for performance optimization. B. Manual monitoring of all metrics. C. Higher hardware costs. D. Increased configuration time. The answer is A. HPE InfoSight uses AI-driven analytics to predict and prevent issues, optimize resource utilization, and improve VDI performance. This reduces downtime and manual intervention, making VDI management more efficient compared to traditional monitoring methods.